Good morning, students. This is your Maths 1 online teaching session. Let us continue with our third chapter, that is polynomials, part 3. In the previous session, I have taught you few important concepts like index method, index form, coefficient form, etc. Let us continue further in this chapter. Today I will be telling you about operations on polynomials. Now the concept that is used is the method of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials is similar to the operation of algebraic expression. Now I hope you know algebraic expression can be added and subtracted only when there are like terms. Same concept is used in polynomials also. Let's see 3.2 question number 2. Add the given polynomials. Now the question is x cube minus 2x square minus 9. Now this is to be added to 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. So when we are adding, what should be our first step? Our first step should be to write this two polynomials in bracket, remove this sign and put a plus sign in between. We are adding these two polynomials, correct? Now when we are adding, there is no problem at all with the sign because when brackets will be opened for this, sign will not change. Care has to be taken when we subtract. That also we will see today. So first part is addition. So while adding, there will be no change in the sign at all. So next step will be as it is you have to write x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. There will be no change in the sign whatsoever in the first polynomial or second polynomial. Now what? You need to collect the like terms. Which are the like terms here? X cube and plus 5x cube. That has to be written together. Minus 2x square. There is no like term for it. Write it as it is. Then plus 2x. There is no other like term in this. Write as it is. Minus 9 and plus 9 together. Now what is done in this step? We are arranging the variable in decreasing order of the index. See, x cube together, then x square, then x and then the constant. This is what is done in this step. Okay. Now x cube plus 5x cube. These are like terms. Don't do the mistake of writing it as x raised to 6. You don't have to add the index. You just have to add the coefficient that is written before it. I can see here 5. But what about this? What is the coefficient? Nothing is there means 1. So 1 plus 5. We get 6x cube. Minus 2x square as it is. Plus 2x as it is. Now this minus 9 and plus 9 are same number with different sign. They can be cancelled. Okay. So final answer is 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x. I hope you have understood it. This type of sums you have already done in lower standards. I hope the concept is clear. Please write it fast and we move on to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is this. Here also we just need to add these two polynomials. What should be our first step? To remove this sign, put a plus sign. Next step, since addition is done, no sign will be changed. Then collect the like terms. As you can see, minus 7m raised to 4 and 5m raised to 4 are like terms. They should be added together. 5m cube minus 3m cube should be written together. Then there is no other like term. So this plus 3m will be as it is. Plus 2m square first, plus 3m and then plus root 2 and minus 6. Write it in descending order of the variable. See, first step, you need to remove this sign and put a plus sign. Put the things in bracket. Next step, no sign will change because there is a plus sign here. So write both the polynomials as it is. Next step, what you have to do is you have to write in descending order. So minus 5m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4 together, plus 5m cube minus 3m cube together, plus 2m square, there is no like term, so as it is, plus 3m as it is, and these numbers together, root 2 minus 6. Now this cannot be further simplified as this is a third and this is a whole number, so leave it as it is. Okay. Now minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Why minus 2? 7 is a greater number with a minus sign, so minus 2, m raised to 4. And as I have explained you before also, m raised to 4 plus m raised to 4, you don't have to write m raised to 8. You just have to add and subtract the coefficients if they are like terms. So it will be minus 2m raised to 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 is a greater number, so it will be plus 2m cube, plus 2m square as it is, plus 3m as it is. And this I have already told you, They cannot be added or subtracted further. So they will come as it is as a final answer. Okay. So root 2 minus 6. I hope all the steps are clear. I can attach a question here and ask you what is the degree of the resultant polynomial. So what is the degree? The degree is the highest index to which the variable to which the polynomial is raised to. Now this is 4. Degree for this polynomial is nothing but 4. Okay. So I hope this step is clear. This sum is clear in fact. Write all the steps and move on to the next question, that is question number 3. Now difference between 2 and 3 is this only, that there are 3 polynomials now. Till now we were adding 2 polynomials, absolutely similar and easy. First step, remove this signs, put a plus sign in between, right? Then open the bracket, sign will not change because this is addition. Collect the like terms, 2y square plus 3y square together, 7y plus 3y minus 4y together, constants together, plus 5 plus 9 minus 3 together, right? So 2 plus 3, 5y square, then plus 7 plus 3, 10y, minus 4y is plus 6y, then 5 plus 9, that is 14, minus 3, that is 11, so plus 11. So final answer is 5y square plus 6y plus 11, and degree of this is 2. If asked, you need to write, otherwise no need. Okay. So I hope this sum is clear. These sums are actually revision what you have already done in lower standards. Now we come to the next type of sum, that is subtraction. Question number 3 is subtract the second polynomial from the first. Okay. Now let's see. The question is x square minus 9x plus root 3. It is to be subtracted from minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. Okay. Now see what is given, second polynomial from the first. So this polynomial is to be subtracted from this, right? And what care is to be taken? First step is you need to remove this sign and put a minus sign, correct? And when you are writing the second polynomial, compulsory you have to put it in bracket. Even if you don't put a bracket here, it is okay. But when there is a minus sign outside, signs will change when we open the bracket. So please put a bracket for the second polynomial compulsory in the second step. Okay. What is the first step here? Remove this sign and put a minus sign and put this second polynomial in bracket. After this, what? This will be written as it is, x square minus 9x plus root 3. But when I open the bracket, what will happen? Minus minus is plus, plus 19x, minus into plus is minus, so minus root 3, and minus into plus is minus 7x square. That is the reason I told you compulsory put the second polynomial in bracket. Then the steps are same. Collect the like terms. X square minus 7x square is nothing but minus 6x square, minus because 7 is a greater number with a minus sign, minus 9x plus 19x, so that is plus 10x, plus root 3 and minus root 3 can be cancelled. I hope the sum is clear. So what is the final answer? Minus 6x square plus 10x. Okay. So finish this fast and let us move to the next question. The next question is this. Again, exactly same way. I want everybody to do it on your own and then check the answer from the video. What you need to do? First remove this and put a minus sign. Put this polynomial in a bracket. Next step, open the bracket, change the sign, collect the like terms and add and subtract. See this. So solution, as I told you, remove this sign, put a minus sign. Next step, this polynomial is to be written as it is, 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Now let us open the bracket, minus 3ab, right? Then minus into minus will become plus. So plus 8ab square. Now this is plus sign, plus into minus is minus, and 2a square b. Now in this sum, you need to take care about the terms. They are a little bit confusing. See, ab square. Now search for the like term. Where is it? ab square. This is a like term. Yes. So 2 and 8 should be written together. Like term ab square. Same with this. 3a square b. Where is the like term? Here. Minus 2a square b. They should be written together. Then minus 4ab and minus 3ab together. Here. Last term. Now add it quickly. 8 and 2 is 10. 10ab square plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Even if you don't write that plus 1, it is okay. So it is a square b. Now these two are negative numbers, minus 4 and minus 3. Answer is minus 7 and ab. So the final answer is 10ab square plus a square b minus 7ab. I hope everybody has understood this. Yes, similar to what we did in the first question. Concept is clear. Let us move to the next type of question. That is question number 4. Multiply the given polynomials. Now we come to multiplication of polynomials. See the question. 2x is to be multiplied with, this is multiplied, it is not x, okay? It is to be multiplied with x square minus 2x minus 1. Now this is a monomial to be multiplied by a trinomial. You have already learned this. What is to be done? 2x is to be multiplied with the first term, second term and third term. So let us do that. 2x into x square is 2x cube. 2x into minus 2x is minus 4x square. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. No like terms here. This is the final answer. Very easy 1 mark question. Correct? See the next one. This is important. It is a binomial to be multiplied by a trinomial. 3 terms. Right? Method is same. What is the method? Take the first term and the second bracket. Take the second term with the sign and the second bracket. I hope you know this. See, x raised to 5. You need to take x raised to 5 and the second bracket. What is it? X cube plus 2x square plus 2. Take the second term with the sign. What is it? Minus 1. And the bracket again. X cube plus 2x square plus 2. Now why I told you that this sum is important? Because this step you need to understand the last step. Here laws of indices is used. It is actually x raised to 5 into x raised to 3. Do you know what is laws of indices? Which one to use here? Yes, it is a raised to m into a raised to n. What was the rule? A raised to m plus n. We are not multiplying this index. We are adding it, m plus n. That is the reason it is 5 plus 3, 8. It is not 5 into 3, 15. Remember this. Laws of indices, a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. So you need to do 5 plus 3, that is 8. Same way here, 5 plus 2, that is 7. So it is 2x raised to 7. And x raised to 5 into 2 is 2x raised to 5. I hope this step is clear. We are using laws of indices and adding the index instead of multiplying. Don't do the mistake of writing 15 here, 10 here. 5 2s are 10. No, we need to add. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Now since this is minus 1 to be multiplied with this bracket, it's as easy as changing the sign of these terms in the second bracket. So this will be minus x cube, this will be minus 2x square and this will be minus 2. Since we are multiplying by minus, all sign will change and this will be the answer. Now look at this step. Are there any like terms in this? It is arranged in descending order itself. First 8, then 7, then 5, then 3, then 2, then constant. There are no like terms, so this is your final answer. I hope everybody understood this. Mark this sum as important because here laws of indices is to be used. Many students do the mistake of writing here x raised to 15 and x raised to 10. Please don't do that. Okay? I hope you have understood this. Let us move to the next question. The next question is this. 2y plus 1 is to be multiplied with y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Okay? Same method. We will take 2y and the second bracket, y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Then we will take the next term with the sign, that is plus 1, and the second bracket again. Open the bracket. 2y into y square is 2y cube. Yes, 2 2's is 4. Y into y cube is y raised to 4. 2y into 3y is 3 2's is 6. Y into y is y square. Now 1 is to be multiplied with this, means as it is you have to write. Since it is plus 1, you need not even change the sign. Copy it as it is. Y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Collect the like terms. Y cube is here, y cube is here. So collect the like terms together. Before cube, I can see the highest order as 4, y raised to 4, correct? So there is no other like term, so we'll write that first. Minus 4 y raised to 4 as it is. Cube terms are together here, and that too it is plus 2 and minus 2 can be cancelled, right? y square terms are together here. Plus 6y square plus y square is nothing but plus 7y square, and 3y, there is no like term as it is. I hope you have understood this. Final answer will be minus 4y raised to 4 plus 7y square plus 3y. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the sums what we have done today. Yes. Now we come to the omitted part of this practice set. Now from practice set 3.2, question number 5, 1 and 2 are omitted. Question number 6 is omitted. Okay. So with this, I think we come to the end of practice set 3.2. I hope you have understood everything. I have done all the 4 sums of the practice set 3.2. Question number 5, 1 and 2 is omitted. Even question number 6 is omitted. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of practice set 3.2 and we have finished our portion for the unit test. I hope you have understood everything. Okay. So with this, I come to the end of this session also. Thank you. Practice all the sums. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.